Hello everyone, welcome to SKU Digital Learning Classes. Myself Dr. Niharika Tiwari and here I am going to deliver my lecture on partial differential equations. The partial differential equation is the most important topic for BSc students. Here we discuss about partial differential equation, its definition, examples and its application and the types of partial differential equation. So now we start with the types of partial differential equation. The parts of partial differential equations are linear equation, non-linear equation, linear equation with constant coefficient, linear equation of second degree. So we discuss about firstly linear equations. All linear equations are in the straight line and it contains always a degree of 1. So we discuss linear differential equation through a graph. Let's see. If in any equation given x and y axis, this is the x axis and this is the y axis, and this line shows the straight line in any equation, and the linear equation is fx is equal y is equal ax plus b is equal 0. So y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable, and a and b are the constant variable. In this equation is defined two variables x and y. So the degree of linear equation is always 1. Let's see. The power of x and the power of y is 1. So we can say that the degree of linear differential equation is defined 1. Next, in this graph we also define the tangent equation. Means the linear equation is defined also the tangent equation. Y is equal mx plus c. In this tangent equation, y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable and c is the constant variable and m is the slope of tangent line. So this equation is called the tangent line and m is the slope of the tangent line, and these are the variables of this equation, and every variable is contains the degree of 1. In this graph, we can easily see that the linear equation is ax plus b is equal 0, where a and b are the variables, constant variable, and x and y are the dependent and independent variable. Examples of linear equations. We define some examples of linear equation. If given the equation 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, this is the first equation, and 5x plus 2y is equal to 0, this is the second equation. In this equation we define as the degree of this variable is 1. The degree means the power of x is 1, and this equation is defined the two variables. One is x and second is y. This is the first variable and this is the second variable, and these both are the variables define the 1 degree of this equation. Now we define non-linear equation. In non-linear equation, it's such equation which does not define the straight line. It means it's always define the two more higher degree of the equations, and also define in any curve form of linear differential equation. So we discuss the non-linear differential equation through the graph. If x-axis and y-axis given, then a curve is defined the non-linear equation, where the equation is f(x) is equal ax square plus by square is equal to 0. So we simply define as the non-linear equation is defined always the curve form, and also define two and more higher degree of any variables, where f(x) is the function and a and b are the variables, constant variables, and x and y are the dependent variables, and the degree of x and y are 2, and the non-linear equation contains two or more higher degree of any equations. Now in this graph we can easily say that in x-axis and y-axis this curve is defined the non-linear equation. Next, if this graph and this graph is given, so in both graphs we can say that this is the linear equation. Why? Because it shows only a straight line, and this shows the curve form of any linear equation. Differential equation. The differential equation is defined the function with more its derivatives. Now we discuss the differential equation. If y plus dy dx is equal to 5x. So according to the definition of differential equation, y is any function and its derivative is dy dx, where y is a function and dy dx is its derivative. Types of differential equation. There are many types of differential equation, and here we discuss some important parts of differential equation. First, partial differential equation, linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. So, we discuss about partial differential equation. If f, x, y are two functions, then the partial differential equation is defined f x y is equal u is equal f x plus delta x minus f x upon delta x. This is the formula of partial differential equation in any function f, x and y, where x and y, where x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. It means the value of y is always depend on x. Now, delta x is the constant variable. Now, we discuss about derivative of x and y. Del f, del x and del f and del y. This del f and del y. This is the partial differentiation of x and y. It means in any function f, when we differentiate the value of x, then we contain y is always constant, and when we differentiate the value of in function f, the value of according to the y, then we contain x is constant. If u is equal x, y, z, p, q, r are the more variable of in any function u, and its partial differentiations are del f, del x, del f, del y, del f, del z, del f, del p and del f, del q and del f, del r. These are the partial differentiations of the derivative x, y, z, p, q and r. So, this is define the derivatives of coefficients x and y, del f, del x, del f, del y, where f is the function and x and y are the variables. Now, we discuss about the partial differential equations examples. Let's see. If given the value u is equal x sin y plus y sin x. Then we prove that del 2u del x del y is equal del 2u del y del x. Means we prove the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So we solve the example. Given the equation u is equal x sin y plus y sin x. This is the first equation. According to the partial differential equation definition, we differentiate this equation according to the x and according to the y. Now del u del x, it means in function u we differentiate this equation according to the x. So differentiation of the x is 1 and sin y as it is plus y and differentiation of the sin x is cos x. This is the second equation. Now we differentiate the equation according to the y. So we differentiate this equation according to the y. X and differentiation of the sin y is cos y plus differentiation of y is 1 and sin x. This is the third equation. Now according to the question, we differentiate these equation second time, means second derivative. So del 2u del x and del y. Del 2u del x del y. This is the left hand side of our questions is equal del x and del u del y. We put the value of del u del y in this equation. Del x and the value of del u del y is x cos y plus sin x. It means now we differentiate this value according to the x. One in cos y plus cos x. Cos x. This is the cos x is equal cos y plus cos x. This is the fourth equation. Del 2u del x del y. Now according to question we can take right hand side, means del to u del y del x is equal del upon del y del u del x. It's mean we put the value of del u del x in this equation and differentiate this value according to the y. So del y and the value of del u del x is sin y plus y cos x. Sin y plus y cos x. Now we differentiate according to the y. Cos y plus 1 cos x is equal cos y plus cos x. This is the fifth equation. Now we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, means del to u del x del y is equal del to u del y del x is equal cos y plus cos x. This is the proof of this question. Next, the second example is given the equation u is equal x square y plus y square z plus z square x, then we prove that del u del x plus del u del y plus del u del z is equal x plus y plus z whole square. Let's we discuss this example. Now, given the equation is if u is equal x square y plus y square z plus z square x. Let's see. First, this is the function and we differentiate this function according to the x, del u del x. So, the differentiation of this equation is according to the x, 2x y, and according to the definition of partial differential equation, when we differentiate any function according to the x, then we contain all variables are 0. So, this variable are 0 and this is z square. This is the first equation. Next, we differentiate this function according to the y is equal x square plus the differentiation of y square is 2yz, and this is the constant variable, so this equation is second equation. Now we differentiate the value of del u del z. It means in equation u we differentiate the value of this equation according to the z. Here x square y is the constant variable according to the z. So this value is 0, and this is defined, the differentiation of y square z is y square plus this differentiation of z square is 2zx. This is the third equation. Now we adding first, second and third equation. Then we see del u del x plus del u del y plus del u del z is equal x square y plus the value of del u del x is 2xy plus z square. The value of del u del y is plus x square plus 2yz, and the value of del u del z is plus y square plus 2zx. Now we write this equation 2xy plus z square plus x square plus 2yz plus y square plus 2zx. This equation is define the formula of x plus y plus z whole square. So now we can say that del u del y plus del u del z is equal x plus y plus z whole square. This is the proof of our second example. Next, thank you so much.